since I had to tribute to my mom too, so I was like, I think that's the best idea to come up with her name, which actually worked. Within 6 months, I just striked the whole industry. So I think that was cool. How you are constructing an outfit. You can't just wear a jubba and come. We recently, मैंने in fact अभी film की थी Daghabaaz Dil. So Mehwish was wearing the same lehenga. And it was so heavy, and I was like, how is she gonna handle it? But yeah, she did. Of course, she's a crazy super actor.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to yet another episode of Fahad's Den. The day since Fahad's Den actually came to birth, the objective was always to explore the world from the lens of our respectable guests. And boy, oh boy, the joy of having this conversation with the creative wisdom himself is immense. The man knows how to make you look on point, be it any of your functions, be it Mehndi, Shendi, Shalima for that matter, or even Eid. Let's hear from the man himself, Mansoor Akram.
Oh wow, I am honored. Honestly speaking, इतना तूने fit intro दिया ना.
Bro, I had to. Come on, you're the top G. Come on. I'm waiting for that fist pump.
Thanks, man. Thank you so much for this.
No, thank you for being a part of this show, Mansoor bhai.
Always, yeah. I mean, you guys have been a family, of course. So why not?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Bro, one question. What's your PR? Bench. I'm pretty sure a lot of people want to know this at this point.
What do you mean by my PR bench?
Bench press.
Oh, अच्छा तुमने आते साथ ही मुझसे वर्कआउट शुरू कर दिया है यार. I thought you were going to talk about my अच्छा इंट्रो तुमने दिया मेरा डिजाइनर. अभी तुम मुझसे जिम की.
Bro, it's all random. Come on, it's unscripted. मैं कॉफी विद करण नहीं कर रहा हूँ.
यार it's so let's not get there. We'll do another episode on that. So let's stick to
Let's stick to designer wear only.
Yeah, let's stick to designer.
Okay, I want you to enlighten the audience as to the difference between Amna Yasmin and Mansoor Akram.
Okay, so well, it's been over a decade, of course. So everybody knows, but of course, people who doesn't know, it's me who's a designer, and that's my brand name, Amina Yasmin. Which is under my mom's name. And why is it my mom's name? Because I think when I started, so I was just constantly thinking of a brand name. I didn't want to start off with my own because the time I started, every designer was having their own names at that point of time. So after that, I thought, yaar, kuch different hona chahiye. Why would I come up with my own name? And since I had to tribute to my mom too, so I was like, I think that's the best idea to come up with her name, which actually worked, because within 6 months I just striked the whole industry. So I think that was cool.
That was cool.
Yeah.
Okay, just tell me one thing, that you are focusing on a very elite and niche market. Okay?
Yeah.
My concern at this point in time in general is that's not specific to you, but it's specific to all of those designer wears that you have in specific. Mm-hmm. How do you guys compete to the likes of Khadi or Sapphire for that matter, who are working on huge economies of scale?
So when you talk about these brands that you're taking names of course they don't do bridals and stuff. So for bridals and for formals and shadi wears and all that stuff, like the gowns, the evening gowns, the saris that we do, so all that kind of stuff, of course there has to be a category of a designer, which we call a couturier. So that's what I am. So I don't do Pret. I do Pret at times, but my primarily focus is on my couture. So that's what I work on. So I think there always has to be different flavors, you know. So आपके पास ही सब कुछ मिल रहा है तो फिर बाकी क्या करेंगे यार? So I think सबको सब कुछ मिलना चाहिए.
Oh, fair enough. Absolutely.
Yeah.
If you were to define your style in one word or one phrase, let's put it that way, how would you categorize that in?
Oh, that's a tough one. One word.
I've given you the liberty of a phrase as well.
No, I think I'll keep myself to a word, and that word would be. Oh, that's tough. Okay, I'll give
Welcome
you a
to
word.
Fahad's
of
Den.
course. I think extraordinary. Yeah.
Mind blown.
Yeah.
Within that extraordinary, how do you actually define that this is extraordinary? Initially मेरा गोल भी ये था that first let's categorize at what you define as.
हाँ.
ठीक है, extraordinary हमने agree कर लिया वो है. What makes your stuff extraordinary?
Yeah, because I don't do stuff that you just spoke about. The Pret. So I mean, I'll put it that way. The couturiers, especially me, we just work on one specific design. और हमारा क्या होता है वो एक design एक ही होता है. It's sold out. It's gone. It's gone. We don't make another piece. Only if you're ordering, we customize it. Only then you can have another piece. Otherwise, हमारा एक sample जो होता है वो एक होता है. That's about it. So then there's no other. हम लोग के 10 जोड़े नहीं बना रहे होते एक जैसे. Are you getting it? So if you're ordering me an outfit and you have to go to a wedding and you are specifically customizing it, whatever it is, so आपके पास ही वो चीज़ होगी. Nobody else will be. क्योंकि अभी आप क्या करते हो शादी में जाते हो कि आपके पास आपने जो जोड़ा पहना हुआ है वो वहाँ पे आप देखते हो कोई और बंदा सेम जोड़ा पहन के आया हुआ है and you feel embarrassed. Like what the
Exactly.
yeah. So, but when you comes to us, it's like, the only piece you're wearing is the only piece you have. There's no other person wearing the same piece in any of the events. Are you getting it?
Yeah, absolutely. You're
So
on point.
I think that's what makes us special and extraordinary.
Oof. Well answered. I like that. Okay, tell me
Yeah.
one more thing. You've defined yourself why you're special and extraordinary.
Yeah.
But in order to stay consistently extraordinary, there's a lot of creative thinking involved.
यार मैं एक बात बताता हूँ lot of people, lot of my clients, lot of my friends also, they always like, why don't you think of a bigger game, why don't you get into Pret, why don't you get into the casual wear. Well, I know it's a bigger business, it's a huge market, of course, आप masses को cater करते हो, but पता नहीं क्यों मेरा दिल नहीं करता. मेरा दिल करता है to just work on something extraordinary. It doesn't, मुझे वो appeal ही नहीं करता. आप 10 जोड़े बना रहे हो या 15 जोड़े बना रहे हो एक ही कैटेगरी के और लगाए हुए हैं आपने. What are you doing with it? You don't need to work hard on that, by the way. It's very easy process. I'm not saying जो बनाते हो बहुत बुरे हैं, but what I'm saying is कि हर किसी का अपना अपना taste है. मुझे क्या appeal करता है to work hard on something which is, as I said, extraordinary.
Yeah, get that.
It's not something which available everywhere. So if you're
Exactly.
coming to us, all my clients have this thing in their head कि if they're coming to us, they know we are going to get something extraordinary there, which you cannot get from the other markets or the malls or other designers maybe. Maybe better. I'm not saying I'm the best, but maybe better than what we have. But at least you're having something which is different.
You feel like it kind of ruins the purpose that something in abundance does not have that specific value to it.
Class.
Simply
That's what
put
I
it
think.
as
That's
class.
what I think. Yeah.
Okay. One thing that we'll all agree upon the fact is design is a collaborative endeavor.
Yeah.
ठीक है? You've got the most extraordinary designs out there. But until and unless you're not able to market it effectively,
It does actually, because हमारे being here in Pakistan especially, we have a lot of restrictions. ठीक है, the things that I design, I make, and I really flaunt with all that. But of course, I can't market it that way because of a lot of restrictions. So of course, there are issues with that too. But yeah, having said that, we try to cater our own industry, our own country, rather than talking about or taking it more abroad. So I think we have the restrictions, but I'm good. Yeah, I'm happy with it.
okay, there's one more question I had pertaining to this paradigm shift.
Yeah.
So, I think 5 years or 7 years down the line, अगर हम जाते हैं, there was a huge revolution in terms of skin fit clothes, skinny jeans, skinny shirts, and now we've changed to this oversized baggy clothes, from cargo pants to oversized t-shirts.
यार देखो मेरी बात सुनो, मैं ऑनेस्टली हर किसी का अपना परसेप्शन है, बट मेरा परसेप्शन ये है कि आई डोंट फॉलो ट्रेंड्स, आई डोंट फॉलो फैशन, आई मेक ट्रेंड्स, आई मेक फैशन. सही है. सो मेरा इफ़ यू स्पेसिफिक टॉक अबाउट माई थ्योरी, सो मेरी थ्योरी है यार, आई फॉलो बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर्स, आपका हाइट, आपका बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर, दैट्स व्हाट मैटर्स टू मी. सो अगर आपका बैगी चल रहा है, इन फैशन है जी, बैगी पहन लो, इट्स गोना वर्क ऑन यू. यू आर शॉर्ट हाइटेड, यू आर टाइनी एंड यू आर वेयरिंग बैगी स्टफ विच इज़ लाइक फ्लोइंग. So I won't recommend you at all. Don't follow the trends. It's gonna ruin your whole fucking image. So it's better to get to know yourself first. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आप पे क्या, एक तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम लोगों को एजुकेट करना पड़ता है, पढ़ता भी है और पढ़ना चाहिए भी कि आपका बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर है क्या, आपका बॉडी शेप क्या है. तो आपको जब तक वो नहीं पता होएगा ना, एंड देन आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि उसके ऊपर क्या सूट करेगा. आप लकीर के फ़कीर नहीं बनो, सही है. आप देखो आप पे क्या सूट करेगा, उस पे जाओ. इंटरनेशनली मार्केट में हम देख रहे होते हैं सेलिब्रिटीज़ को, फैशन को, जो भी इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड्स हैं उनको देख देख के हम लोग को रहते हैं शिकार में ही पहनो, आप ज़रूर पहनो, बट टेपर इट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर साइज, अकॉर्डिंग टू योर स्ट्रक्चर. डोंट जस्ट फॉलो इट एज इट इज़. I think that's what we need to educate everybody, ताकि उनको पता तो at least what they're wearing. If you talk about me, like I said, I'm a very
Yeah, I get
skinny
that, I get that.
because I'm not tall, right? So I'm not that short too, but I'm not tall. So मुझे पता है कि अगर मैं एक लिमिट तक बैगी पहन सकता हूँ, उसके बाद I'm going to start looking like a bona. So I need to look at my structure first, and then I have to do a fashion. So I can't just blindly follow the trends and the fashion.
Agreed. अच्छा वैसे tell me one more thing. You talked about identifying yourself. के what is your structure like?
बिल्कुल.
Someone who's having a transformation such as like me, I can keep myself in that regard and talk because I know myself the best. Once you're losing weight, ठीक है, you don't lose weight equally. You lose weight in disproportionate stances, I think. I don't know if that's the correct word or not. Don't cancel me, guys. But like, thank you. So you don't lose weight in a proportionate manner. You could lose weight from here. You could lose weight from your sides. Either ways. So how do you really define that shape structure? Ke someone who has broad shoulders, for example, but at the same time he has a really slim waist. That's like the perfect example. Or if it goes the other way around.
नहीं मैं तो बताता हूँ. Okay, so when you lose weight or when you transform yourself, of course, so आपको वही चीज़ बता रहा हूँ कि आपको अपनी बॉडी के लिहाज से कस्टमाइज़ कराना पड़ता है सब कुछ. For example, like you have transformed yourself. You're in a perfect shape right now.
Thank you so much.
ठीक है. So of course you can get anything through the market that's going to fit you, your body size. It's not like you need to wear skinny. In fact, तुम loose ही पहनोगे तुम पे अच्छा लगेगा. Baggy trousers, cargo pants or whatever. So that's going to suit you. Are you getting it? But somebody who's like me, okay, so it's majorly like gym fits. So ज़रा gym fits वाले जो होते हैं ना, उनको ज़्यादा कीड़ा होता है. उनको body भी दिखानी होती है, उनको छुपाना भी होता है.
उनको curves दिखाने.
Yeah, so मसल भी दिख भी जाए, छुप भी जाए, तो मेरा ख्याल है उनके लिए ज़्यादा मसले हैं. So उनके लिए मेरा recommendation यही है कि यार you can always get customized stuff for yourself. And it's not expensive, yeah. You can buy stuff, you can customize it. And people does it, yeah. All our trainers, gym fits, everybody does it. So I think it's very easy now. And for very cheap prices though. So you can get all the brands for the bigger size and get it altered in your sizes. That's cool.
Yeah, I mean that's a very big tailor industry that
और
we have
see,
as well.
I tell you what, और बाकी तुम जो बात कर रहे हो ना disappropriate body or disproportionate body, वो फिर of course, I mean, what are the designers for? Go to them, talk to them, show them what you want, and exactly like वो मैंने बात की short, heighted, fat or whatever. So obviously you come to a designer and you take suggestion, and it's the designer's job to make you look the best, whatever height, whatever weight you are in.
Thank you for clarifying that out, and you've identified your purpose as well. That's why we have you.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me one more thing. So we agreed upon the fact that your style goes with the word extraordinary.
Yeah.
ठीक है? If you are to make something extraordinary, what's your creative thinking process like? कि ये.
अच्छा ओके देखो extraordinary doesn't mean कि वो बिल्कुल कोई out of space होएगा ठीक है it could be within what you have for example अगर मैं मिसाल देता हूँ शलवार कमीज़ for example है तो शलवार कमीज़ कब से बन रहे हैं everybody हमारे अब्बा दादा everybody has worn it they are wearing it so अब जब हम उस पे आते हैं टाइम में which is now. So what makes us unique and different is that, of course, I mean, the first thing that comes to my head is what is one thing that's going to be different than the rest of the designers, first of all, and सबसे उससे भी ज़्यादा important ये कि person coming to you and going to ask you if they want something different, because अभी तक हमारा जो mindset है वो वही पुराना है basic शलवार कमीज़. But अगर आप willing हो to wear something extraordinary, do come to us. I'm going to make you something extraordinary.
Oh, definitely. Links in the description below.
Yeah.
Okay. we got that extraordinary feel.
Huh.
But living in a society such as Pakistan, we need to cater to that practicality aspect as well.
This is what I'm saying. There is a huge market out there. There is the percentage of wearing those kind of clothes are humongous. It's huge. And the percentage of people who are so finicky like me, who needs customized outfits. See, it's not about कि आपने कढ़ाइयाँ different कर दी हैं. It's all about the stitching also. How you are constructing an outfit, like shalwar kameez, for example, we're talking about. तो उसको भी आपको construct करना पड़ता है in a proper way. You can't just wear a jubba and come out like that, you know.
No offense, but jubbas actually look cool. I
Well,
bought them once I went there.
Jubba is a different story. I'm talking
Yeah, it
about
is.
jubba is like khulla, na?
Exactly,
So you can't
absolutely.
wear a khulla kurta with a khulli shalwar out there, right?
That looks really pathetic.
This is what I'm saying. So the differentiate between them is like you wear a khulla kurta, it looks like a jubba, and you're wearing shalwar underneath. Are you getting it? So you need to customize, get it customized. That's, I mean, हमें भी कोई फायदा मिले यार. Come to us.
Got it. Noted.
Yeah.
Have you had like any embarrassing moments in terms of your styling, and once they go live, once they go out on a fashion show on a ramp?
रैंप में तो बहुत हुए हैं यार.
Sir, story
रैंप
चाहिए.
में तो of course you must have seen it. Models are falling off. लहंगा खुल गया, ब्लाउज गिर गया, पिन्नी लगी हुई थी सही से. लॉट ऑफ मसलास यार, बहुत मसले हुए हैं. बट मॉडल्स हैज फॉलन ऑफ कोर्स. लहंगे में लड़कियां गिर गई हैं यार, इतने मंगस लहंगे कैन लगी होती है. सो वो उनकी जो स्टोन्स, इनफैक्ट दैट्स नॉट रिकमेंडेड ऑन द रैम्प कि आप सिरोस्की स्टोन्स वाली शूज़ पहन के आप कोई जोड़ा पहन के वॉक कर रहे हो, बिकॉज ऑलवेज स्टिक्स विद योर आउटफिट व्हाटएवर यू वेयरिंग. तो अब नॉर्मली भी पहनो, यू वेयरिंग हील्स, सो वो कहीं ना कहीं तो स्टिक होती है. तो वो तो एम्बैरेसिंग और फनी, इफ़ यू कॉल दैट इन अ वे, इट्स नॉट फनी से ज़्यादा एम्बैरेसिंग होता है.
Exactly.
बट या वो तो काफ़ी हुए हैं, काफ़ी.
Tell me one thing more. Are you in line with the statement of no pain, no gain in terms of beauty?
इन टर्म्स ऑफ ब्यूटी.
Beauty and in terms of designing. अब जैसे we talked about लहंगा, ठीक है?
हाँ.
I'm not really sure किसका लहंगा था, but I think किसी की शादी का लहंगा था 15 kilos का. I'm like,
Yeah, it's.
I mean, for me it was odd. I don't know about.
Even I have a 25 kg का लहंगा.
So I think you are in line with no pain, no gain.
या सी दैट डिपेंड्स. अब वो ये ज़रूरी नहीं है. अब तो अब वो वाला टाइम आ चुका हुआ है व्हेन यू हैव लाइक heavily embellished outfit and you can't see the fabric and still so lightweight because the materials that you're placing on it. But there are certain materials like pearl, जो original pearl होता है, it's very heavy. We recently मैंने in fact अभी फिल्म की थी Daghabaaz Dil. उसे Mehwish was wearing the same lehenga and it was so heavy and I was like, how is she going to handle it? Because shoots में आप चला लेते हो, ramp पे भी चल जाते हो, but when you're doing a scene and the whole outfit, so it's very difficult. But yeah, she did. Of course, she's a crazy super actor.
Yeah, that shows the
So-
grace of her as well.
Yeah, she does, and she did it so beautifully. So anyway, coming back to the heavy outfits were like that कि वो जो आपकी चीज़ required है वो आप करोगे, of course.
करोगे, बिल्कुल करोगे. I mean, so that goes for it. Beauty at the cost of anything,
Yeah, of course.
any day. I think with that being said, we come towards the end of this episode. Thank you so
Wow.
much, Top G. I hope you enjoyed this episode.
Yeah, thank you so much for inviting me. It was honestly a pleasure, and I didn't even feel I'm interviewing. In fact, I would love to tell you guys this also. Okay, I was not sure about the interview because I was like, I am so freaked out. I don't do interviews and shit. So I was like, okay. But when he told me about the whole scene, how it is, how it's gonna go, so I was like, okay, fine. And since I know you, of course, so I was like, I'll be relaxed. I'll be in good hands.
Oh, I'm glad. I'll take that as a hands-on compliment. But yeah,
Yeah.
thank you so very much. And with that being said, thank you so much to you guys as well. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.